blessed day to you, ma'am. My name is Jean P. Duron, from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies 2C. So the first question in our task today is, what are the primary human activities responsible for contributing to climate change? How do these activities lead to increased greenhouse gases emissions? So climate change is a long-term shift of temperature and weather patterns. So there is a lot of human activities that is responsible for climate change, but the primary one is burning fossil fuels because such as coal, oil, and gases. Burning fossil fuels can trap the heat into the earth, and it could be resulted in global warming. And also another example of human activities that is responsible for climate change is cutting down trees or deforestation. Because as we observe in another place, or for example Manila, we could observe that that place is hot because there is no trees that can protect them into the heat of the sun, and the trees there is replaced by buildings. And if we cut the trees, the beneficial effect of the trees will be lost. And also, and when we cut the trees, the carbon dioxide will release into the atmosphere, and it could add the greenhouse gases emissions. And also energy, industry, transportation, what more? Buildings, um, agriculture, and land uses are the main cause causing greenhouse gases, and it could be resulted in intense of drought, um, melting of ice, rising of sea levels, and many more. So the second question, or the last question in our task today is, how can educators in different fields collaborate to address population growth? And what role can social studies, science, and other subjects play in educating students about this topic? So we all know that the population growth in this generation are rising. Also, the teenage pregnancy. So, um, in order to address this issue, the educators in different fields can collaborate on how to address population growth, and combining several academic disciplines to and putting it into curriculum. The educators also can make a symposium into the students, or in every schools or barangay, to in order for them to be aware what could be the possible effect of population growth. Also, the various subjects such as um, what is it? Social studies can educate the students to help them to understand the the social implication and um, challenges that associated in population growth. So we all know that one of the most powerful in society is education. So the educators will educate the students on what could be the effect of population growth into the society, and the educators will help them to understand on what is the importance of life here in the world.